Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest and the latest road moments scored on driver's dashcam. And already in our first video, there's a lot of action and a lot of to be seen. Stay tuned till the end. Camera was forced to move off the road completely because another careless driver found himself in the camera's lane. I want you to pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He was distracted by something, and my guess that he was texting and driving since he was swerving in and out of lane and couldn't maintain his road position. Note to all the pedestrians out there, please use the crosswalk while crossing the road, especially during the night time, where the vision is low for all drivers. Driver on the camera's right side tried to force his way in front of a semi-truck, and that's never a good idea. Blind spots are dangerous, but it's really questionable if the camera was in this guy's blind spot or not. Either way, the driver who merged to the camera's lane didn't bother looking nor indicating. Talking about crazy drivers, here is your daily dose of the craziest drivers. If you want to merge, at least do it a lot faster and not like this guy here, He was indecisive, and that nearly caused both him and the camera. It's because of rude and reckless drivers like this one we have so many accidents on the roads. Please indicate on time and check your mirrors before making a safe lane change. Semi-truck driver was just minding his own business and driving around when all of a sudden this crazy pickup driver got in front of him, and he even brake checked him, nearly causing a heavy wreck on the road. Drunk driver lost control of his vehicle and he ended up hitting a parked one, causing a massive damage. But that's not the worst part. He even reversed and fled the scene. This driver didn't stop for a child at a zebra crossing. He did actually manage, but it was in the last possible moment.
Got some road rage on film. CUL 995.
What do you guys think about this situation? If you look closely, the camera was way too close to another driver and he had his high beams. But on the other hand, the driver in front of the camera was going way below the speed limit and he was slowing everyone in traffic down. Deserved or not? And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and picking up something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would boost our channel. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.